Kids of the 90s, do you still remember what our great teachers in elementary taught us on Valentine's Day? Aside from making Valentine's cards for our dear parents, what else you can remember? Do you remember the song that we used to sing in school on this special day? I hope the message and the melody of that song still exists in your own reverie. And if not, please allow me to refresh your memory. Here's an a cappella of that song, and I hope it won't spoil your day.
Dearest child, believe me, you are truly my friend. So today with gladness to you will I send just a sign of friendship from this heart of mine that will tell you in words you are my Valentine. This will it say, mother's heart is true and never will change the love she gives you. Di baga maraming puso sa sagingan, may pusong saba at puso ng tundan. May pusong dalaga at pusong pusoan, may pusong tapat at pusong salawahan. Ngunit ang puso ng magulang ay may tunay na pagmamahal.